Hello, this is Robbie Dodenbeer, and I am going to show the enhancement number 1 assignment. To start off with here is my template. As you can see, I can make it responsive by just shrinking it up and expanding it back out again. Basically all there is to really show on the template. I do have a header, I do have a nav, and I do have a footer. So the only thing that will change when I go to my home is the middle, or my main. So I'm going to go ahead and switch this to home. And as you can see here, that was the only thing that changed. I can scroll down. Here is kind of my hero element. Here's the recipes. Here's the reviews, and again my footer at the bottom. So I'm just going to switch this over. I do like to use these kind of standard formats. Since nobody can really change their screen size when they're actually on a mobile phone. So here is the iPhone 6s, kind of as my small element. As you can see, I've now stacked the review and the recipes. I've kind of shrunk down the size, and my nav elements still look good. I can go ahead and expand that out, and you can see here now that is actually moved over and kind of fit nicely on the screen. So here is the site. I'm going to just show the validator here. So if I right click on this and I click on that picture, view the page source, I'm just going to copy and paste this into the W3 validator service. I just do direct input, paste in my HTML, I click check, and as you can see here, it shows green. I'm just going to come on right over here, and this is probably the easiest way to do this. This is my main CSS. So I just grab that. I've just gone ahead and just used @media queries instead of 3 different files. That way I can just check this quite easy, paste that in there, check, and as you can see, congratulations, no error. So that is my site. I've shown the responsiveness. I've shown the validator service as well. So enjoy.